One COVID-19 patient discharged on Friday. Total active cases in Assam now only 42. KSA team visits West Karbi Anglong border areas, demands proper screening of returnees. Journalist bodies submit memorandum to West Karbi Anglong DC, demands security of media persons. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi and now the news in detail. After a big surge in the COVID count in Assam for 2 consecutive days, one more patient was discharged from the hospital on Friday. Here is a report. Expressing his joy on one more patient successfully winning the combat with the deadly virus, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed that one person who has been admitted in Silchar Medical College and Hospital was tested negative after conducting multiple tests and was discharged from the hospital. With no new cases and death reported at the time of filing this report, Assam has a total of 86 positive cases of COVID-19, out of which 41 have been discharged so far. The overall situation of India is not at all pleasing, as the nation now has a total of 82,834 positive cases and is very likely to surpass China to become the world's 11th most affected nation by coronavirus. India has already lost 2,657 lives to the pandemic and the toll is increasing every single day. Meanwhile, both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are still in green zones with no cases of COVID-19 reported yet. However, there is a rising fear among the people as stranded workers begin coming home. On the other hand, the news of the pathetic condition of several stranded workers from the district has also caused immense concern among the people here. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Student Association Hamrenhat branch team visited the Assam-Meghalaya border areas following reports of poor quality of PMGSY road being constructed between Mokoiram and Rupai. Here is a report. During their visit to Langhempi, Mokoiram, Arting, Langerdang and Rupai area on May 14, the KSA Hamrenhat branch gathered that several people from the neighboring state come inside Karbi Anglong on daily basis for the purpose of farming. Raising their concern over the spread of the coronavirus, the KSA had demanded provision for regular health screening of these people. On the other hand, several workers and students from Karbi Anglong are returning from Shillong on foot due to the absence of transportation facility. These workers had also called upon the officer in charge of Langhempi outpost to provide them with meal and medical checkup.
Karjulong mate pinia bangke tum thekpon long lo Meghalaya sarkar biang long along sai kati ki mate khiti bati nangke claim amen pen bangko ani Meghalaya khasia tum lapu ang lo lapen ke alang tum without any medical treatment basi karbiang long nang lut bom lo lapen ke arni wang si munit ki mi khiti ke claim amen pen wang bom lo lapen pinia arni sta melang han medical treatment long lelang asin tum kachuning ri administrative mate law and order tum phan lapuson non COVID-19 apu thak that piang kang lockdown ke do mate state kaprek state kache kabia phan relaxation people lang mate order tho thelang lasi lasona hut Meghalaya state pen Karbi Anglong naki lut abangke niltum bangke ke kroipon pe lasi niltum chuning ripon lo.
Meanwhile, the team had expressed their disappointment over the poor quality of the PMGSY road constructed by Moromi Enterprise. Local people have also alleged that the contractor Sanjit Deka is indulging in large-scale irregularities in his work and that the contractor is a profiteer and not working for the betterment of the people of the area.
PMGSY sarkar pen nang kipi atowar lasi abatai lo ni tum rong asu pen kipudun komplain ta arige lasi kang ar jo langtha asap ta mime rong Penang an itum ki hang ajir kiding na sotuar ki sung pen ki boy ki du ki cicak la pen ke heme jang re atum uso ki longji setala sotuar pen ha hamren an ki pon ki penang an ki sung la si sarkar pen nang pichit la he kontrak amena ale aphan si alang tum jiklem rong lo non ta itum.
During the visit, the KSA team led by Prosanto Ingti also conducted awareness program with the locals about preventive measures on COVID-19 and basic hygiene rules. Daniel Inghi from Hamran, Karbenglong Live. The Dongkamukam Press Club, the Hamran Press Club and West Karbenglong District Press Club jointly submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbenglong District, Syed Isfakur Rahman and SP Ramandip Kaur, demanding security of media persons following recent police manhandling. Here is a report. According to the aggrieved group, 2 journalists from Dongkamukam were ill-treated by the local police. On May 5, Police Havaldar, who was on duty in a drunken condition, stopped the Dongkamukam Press Club president and tried to strike him with a cane, without any reasons or provocation. Again, on the following day, on 9th May, another policeman stopped Dongkamukam electronic reporter who was out to buy medicines and verbally abused him.
অকথ্য ভাষাৰে তাৰমানে কিছুমান গালি গালাজ দিয়ে লগতে যিজন সংবাদকৰ্মীয়ে চলাই অহা বাইকৰ চাবি তেওঁলোকে কাঢ়ি লৈ গাড়ীটো তাৰমানে লাঠিৰে কোবোৱা ধৰণৰ ঘটনাও তাৰমানে সংঘটিত হৈছে আৰু যিটো ঘটনাৰ পৰিপ্ৰেক্ষিতত আমি দংকামুকাম প্ৰেছ ক্লাবে ইয়াক গভীৰ দুখ প্ৰকাশ কৰি তীব্ৰ ভাষাৰে তাৰমানে গৰিহণা দিছোঁ দিয়াৰ লগতে
In the letter of memorandum, the journalist bodies had strongly urged upon the authority that no police personnel should resort to unjustified act towards the media persons. Media, being the 4th pillar of the Constitution, has several rights which cannot be denied to them. The body pointed out that such acts should not be entertained by the authority.
Alal tumla so akama tha ke chok che ke lem chok che bangke mane lang ding de nangji law and order hin panstame SP lapan additional SP lapan sota se administration hin panstame media tumafan special tumafan akapi jok do la se alang tum se tami amathanga duty ka che claim long bangke akapi sungdun avedet nangji posit nili pulo I card theglong tang det logo theglong tang det lapen la ke media claim bang phulo puchini tang det ta mane akapi jok avedet pulo tang te jo parni laso pandemic novel pandemic laso coronavirus mate COVID-19 laso kisung rat tu maka chetong kang chir kalang it pen kecheng lok kisung pen kecheng lok rat tu maka ningri pen kecheng lok media tum yong si humri dam de pulotang te laso a message mate abirta abangke rat mane kithi kiding ka chare tum bang long le daji nasi lahaya akam ki claim along abangke law and order tum sitame kelang dunang ji posit nilihin pen chuning.
The Dongkamukam Press Club, which had earlier appraised the matter to the local police outpost at Dongka, moved to the higher authority too in an effort to seek assurance that such act is not repeated in the future. Daniel in his report, Karbenglong Live. In pursuance of government's announcement to provide free rice to the needy and lockdown-affected people throughout this crisis period, the Daithar Lamps had on Friday conducted the 4th phase of rice distribution drive under the Dwarbagori constituency. Here is a report from our correspondent. The distribution of rice was led by Daithar Lamps President Projan Rongpi and was handed over to families in their respective polling station for their convenience and also to avoid overcrowding. The distributions were carried out at Langklangong High School, Upper Rangsali ME School, Taradong ME School, Kikangadong High School and other playgrounds. The area lamps also made all efforts to reach out to every needy household of the area. Families belonging to both the ration card holder and non-ration card holders were provided rice as per the direction of CEM Tuliram Ronghang to fulfill Karbenglong Autonomous Council objective of fairness and humanitarian effort and ensuring the health security of all people regardless of gender, race, or party affiliation during the ongoing global crisis. Meanwhile, local MEC Richard Togby has also been working relentlessly to ensure that the people of his constituency do not go hungry, as local residents also express gratitude for the assistance and their continued efforts. Crispas Rongpar from Daithor, Karbenglong Live. Well, that's all we have for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbenglong Live.